Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy bears without sugar. Blend 100 grams fruit puree with 3 tablespoons unflavored gelatin and 2 tablespoons erythritol. Heat gently until dissolved. Stir in lemon juice or citric acid for brightness, then pour into small molds and refrigerate for 2 hours. I'll walk you through texture tweaks and flavor swaps so you can make chewy, healthy gummies at home. Follow simple safety tips for heating and storage. Start by selecting ripe fruit for a naturally sweet base and measure 100 grams of puree per batch. Bloom 3 tablespoons of gelatin in cold liquid before warming gently with sweetener until fully dissolved. Taste and tweak sweetness, then strain seeds for a smooth texture if needed. Use small molds for consistent portion sizes and label batches with flavors and date for simple storage and rotation in the fridge. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more sugar-free recipes and easy kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for standing at the stove while you make gummies. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Pour the warm mixture into silicone molds placed on a tray for stability, tapping lightly to remove air bubbles. Refrigerate the tray flat for at least 2 hours until gummies are set and springy to the touch. If gummies are too soft, add 0.5 tablespoon more gelatin next batch. If too firm, reduce by the same amount. Unmold gently and dust with a little cornstarch or erythritol to prevent sticking before storing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.